Is the Galaxy S7 still usable in 2025? Let's talk about a phone that once ruled the Android world, the Samsung Galaxy S7, released back in 2016. It was a true flagship. But how does it hold up nearly a decade later? Let's start with design. The Galaxy S7 still looks clean and premium with its glass back and metal frame. It's compact and easy to hold, unlike most modern phones. It even has IP68 water resistance, something many budget phones today still lack. The display, a 5.1-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED panel. It's surprisingly sharp and vibrant even in 2025. Samsung really nailed their displays, and this one aged better than expected. Performance-wise, things get tricky with the Snapdragon 820 and 4GB RAM. Basic tasks are okay, calling, texting, light browsing. But modern apps and games, they're a struggle. Even scrolling Instagram feels laggy, and multitasking is very limited. The software, that's a major downside. The Galaxy S7 officially stopped receiving updates years ago. Unless you've installed a custom ROM, you're stuck with outdated Android, which isn't safe or optimized for today's apps. The battery has also degraded, originally 3000 mAh, but now you'll be lucky to get 2 to 3 hours of screen time. It also charges slower by today's standards and lacks USB-C cameras. The 120p main shooter was great back in the day. And honestly, in good lighting, it still holds up okay. But night shots and video quality, not so much. So, who is the Galaxy S7 for in 2025? It's not a daily driver anymore. But if you want a nostalgic backup phone or a simple device for calls and light use, it might still serve, just don't expect miracles.